Hello, everyone. Today we have a 20-question quiz about relative pronouns and watchwords in English grammar. These include words like who, whom, whose, which, where, when, why, what, and how. We use them to connect sentences or ask about people, things, places, time, reasons, and methods. Let's test how well you understand them. Question 1. I know the person called you yesterday. I know the person who called you yesterday. We use who because it refers to a person and works as the subject of the sentence. Question 2. This is the house. Roof is red. This is the house whose roof is red. We use whose because it shows possession and the roof belongs to the house. Question 3. I don't know. She is crying. I don't know why she is crying. We use why because the sentence is asking about a reason. Question 4. Tell me, you solved this problem. Tell me how you solved this problem. We use how because it describes the method or process. Question 5. The city I was born in is very beautiful. The city where I was born in is very beautiful. We use where because it refers to a place. Question 6. I remember the day we met. I remember the day when we met. We use when because it refers to time. Question 7. She is the girl. Brother is a doctor. She is the girl whose brother is a doctor. We use whose because it shows possession. Question 8. The man called you yesterday as my uncle. The man who called you yesterday is my uncle. We use who because it refers to a person and works as the subject of the verb. Question 9. I don't understand, you mean. I don't understand what you mean. We use what because it means the thing that. Question 10. This is the place. We had our first meeting. This is the place where we had our first meeting. We use where because it refers to a place. Question 11. Do you know she lives? Do you know where she lives? We use where because it refers to location. Question 12. Can you tell me time it is? Can you tell me what time it is? We use what because we use what time to ask about time. Question 13. I know the reason. He left early. I know the reason why he left early. We use why because it refers to a reason. Question 14. The teacher teaches us is very kind. The teacher who teaches us is very kind. We use who because it refers to a person and is the subject of the sentence. The question 15. This is the book I told you about. This is the book which I told you about. We use which because it refers to a thing. Question 16. The woman. Car was stolen, called the police. The woman whose car was stolen called the police. We use whose because it shows possession. Question 17. I will call you. I arrive. I will call you when I arrive. We use when because it refers to time. Question 18. Do you know broke the window? Do you know who broke the window? We use who because it refers to a person and is the subject of the sentence. Question 19. That's the reason I was late. That's the reason why I was late. We use why because it refers to a reason. Question 20. Show me. You bought yesterday. Show me what you bought yesterday. We use what because it means the thing that.
How many did you get correct? Write your score in the comments. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now for more English quizzes. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends.